Every strong product starts with something simple. These raw wooden logs may look ordinary, but they are the beginning of a long journey. Welcome to Wood Pallet Factory vlog, where we show you how raw wood turns into an important part of global trade. The logs arrive at our factory from managed forests and are chosen for their strength and quality. Before any work begins, workers carefully check each log for cracks, damage, and size. This step is very important because strong pallets can only be made from strong wood. If you enjoy seeing real factory processes, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Wood Pallet Factory vlog. After inspection, the logs move to the cutting area. Large machines cut the logs into wooden boards of different sizes. Each cut is done carefully to keep the wood useful and strong. Even small pieces of wood are reused, so nothing is wasted. To watch more behind-the-scenes factory work, make sure you subscribe to the channel. The cut wood still has moisture inside, which can cause problems later. To prevent this, the wood is dried and sometimes treated to protect it from insects and damage. This helps the pallets stay strong during long journeys and different weather conditions. If this process interests you, hit the like button and subscribe to Wood Pallet Factory vlog for more videos like this. Once the wood is ready, it is used to make pallets. Wooden boards are assembled by machines and skilled workers working together. Nails are placed carefully to make each pallet strong and stable. These pallets are built to carry heavy loads every day. For more pallet making videos, subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Before shipping, every pallet goes through a quality check. Workers inspect size, strength, and balance. Any damaged pallet is repaired or removed, so only safe pallets move forward. If you appreciate quality workmanship, support us by subscribing to Wood Pallet Factory vlog. After approval, the pallets are stacked and loaded into shipping containers. They are packed carefully to avoid damage during transport. From here, they travel by trucks, ships, and trains to different countries. Stay connected with our factory journey by liking, sharing, and subscribing. Around the world, these pallets carry food, medicine, electronics, furniture, and many other essential goods. Most people never notice them, but without pallets, global trade would stop. If you enjoy learning how everyday things are made, subscribe to Wood Pallet Factory vlog. From raw logs to global shipping containers. This journey is about hard work, planning, and craftsmanship. Thank you for watching Wood Pallet Factory vlog. If you like this video, please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And we'll see you in the next factory vlog.